Hello, my friend. So right now I'm in kitchen. So I'm going to make a dinner. So first of all, I'm going to show you this. This vegetable is called yam. So in Hindi we call it chimikant. Okay. So in English we call it yam. Okay. So my mom has cut that yam. Okay. Now I'm going to temper it. So जब हम किसी चीज को जैसे वेजिटेबल हो गया, ठीक है, दाल हो गई, किसी चीज को तड़का लगाते हैं तो तड़के को हम कहते हैं टेम्पर. ओके. सी लाइक आई एम गोइंग टू टेम्पर दिस yam. Okay. So first of all, what I need, I that is pressure cooker. So first I'm going to turn on the regulator. That is later I'm going to turn on the gas. Put the pressure cooker on the flame. Okay. Now next step, there is some water drops in this pressure cooker, so I have to dry it first. So let it warm first. Okay. Now I will fry. You can say fry it. Okay, but these things first I will temper it, then I will fry it for 5 minutes, 10, 20 minutes. Okay. So now first what I need, that is oil. Okay. So that is the can of oil, 5 liter can of oil, and now I'm going to chop this onion. Okay. And chop this onion. So I have taken this plate, okay, and this bowl. We can call it bowl, okay. So I'm going to slow down the flame, okay. Then this is garlic, okay, the bulb of garlic, okay. Now I'm going to chop this onion. So that is the head of the onion, okay. So I'm going to chop it. So now, right now, I'm going to peel it. So I'm peeling this onion, okay. So I'm peeling it. That is the bottom part of the onion. Now I'm going to chop it and make a small piece. Okay. Actually, I do not use cutting board. Okay, because actually that cutting board, I do not use cutting board. Okay. Actually, it take much time if I use. So now this onion is very, it's so that onion actually is making me cry. Oh, that onion is making me cry. It's hard. Okay. So that is the garlic. So you can say mince. I'm mincing the garlic. Okay. This is called clove of garlic. This is called clove. Clove of garlic. Okay. So I'm mincing the garlic. Okay. Now the next thing is that ginger. So that is a small piece of ginger. I'm going to put it down. So first of all, I'm peeling it off. So then I will make small piece. So you can say I will chop it. So now I'm going to chop it, making small piece. So it will cook fast. Okay. So I have prepared that tadka. Okay. So I have prepared all these things. Now the next thing is that I'm going to put oil into the pressure cooker. So I will do it very carefully because this is full of 1 minute. Yeah, this can is full. That's why I was very careful when I was pouring that oil into the pressure cooker. At least it should fall. Okay, now let it warm. Then So that is called spice dispenser. Okay. So the first thing that, so I have put that all things. Now my tempering is frying. Okay, तड़का fry हो रहा है. Okay. I have to let it turn into brown color. Okay. So I have to wait now. Now I will put salt. Okay, I'm stirring it. And next thing is that turmeric. So I'm going to put 1 spoon of turmeric, like 2 spoons of turmeric. Okay. So I'm going to put this spice dispenser away. Okay. Now, yes, you can see it has turned into brown. Okay. Now it's time to put that yum Jimmy Khan. Stirring it. I'm going to mix it properly. Yes. Wow. After a long time, like 15-20 days, we are eating yum. I really like to eat yum. It's my favorite vegetable. Okay. That is left over. I'm going to put it in dustbin. Okay. So you can see. So now I have to fry it for 20 minutes in a slow flame. Okay. So my friend, you can see here, actually I have given it for 50-20 minutes. So why did I fry it? There is a question. So I actually fried it for 20 minutes because this yum, this jinikan, tastes little bit bitter. Okay, so that's why we have to fry it for 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay, so that the little bit bitter taste actually it will remove because of that heat. Okay, so that's why I fry it for 20 minutes. Okay, now it has fried. Now it's time to pour the water. So that is the warm water. I have warm water. Okay, I have warmed it in this kettle. So let's try to pour the water. Okay. Now it will mixing it. I think water is not enough. I have to add more water to this. Yeah. Okay. So now it's okay. It's okay. Now next. So the next thing is that is lead. I'm going to cover it. Okay. First, I'm going to flip that. That things. It's a little bit loose. Okay. So I'm going to cover it, and now I will wait for the whistle. So it will take 15-20 minutes to boil properly. Okay. So that's the process. Okay, so as like I practiced. Okay, you can also practice while cooking, while making vegetable, while doing work in farm. Okay, everywhere you can practice. That's a very easy. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe my video. Okay, and follow me. Okay, and if you want more video, then you can write more in comment. I will definitely create wonderful video for you. Please encourage me fast. Thank you very much.